Please have a seat, Mr. Iyer.
Thank you.
Sir, I have just gone through your case file and the doctor has recommended cataract surgery for both your eyes. However, we would like to begin with the right eye first.
Surgery. Will I have to stay in the hospital for very long? And what about the cost? I have to arrange for the amount in advance.
Don't worry, sir. I'll explain all the procedures and the intraocular lenses available. These have different costs and features. And after I've told you, you can decide whether you want to go ahead with it.
This chart contains the gist of all the surgeries. The first procedure type of surgery is called ECCE. The full form of it is extracapsular cataract extraction.
Can you please explain?
Of course, sir. The full form is just for your information. Now, even though ECCE surgery costs the least, it's rather outdated. It makes use of sutures to tie up the surgical incisions. The lenses used are rigid. Over and above all this, you have to give your eyes ample rest for about 1 or 1.5 months before you are able to see again.
Oh. Aren't there any procedures with shorter resting period? I am eager to be able to read my morning newspapers soon.
Yes, sir, there is. Would you like me to tell you more about it?
Yes, son. Go ahead.
The next type of surgery is called SICS, the full form of which is small incision cataract surgery. Just like the name suggests, the surgical incision made during SICS will be much less than that under the ECCE method, and no sutures will be required to close up the wounds. The visual rehabilitation is also much quicker. However, in this case also, the lenses are rigid.
This surgery sounds fine. But there is a third one on this chart. Is this a better surgery?
Yes, sir. Most people opt for phacoemulsification surgery these days, which is commonly referred to as PACO. Not only is the incision very tiny, but sutures are not used. Plus, the visual rehabilitation is only a week of absolute rest. After that, you will be able to read your morning paper as usual. PACO makes use of foldable lenses which are far superior to the rigid ones. However, they are also more expensive.
So these are three different kinds of surgery for cataract.
You're right, sir.
Can I go through this once again?
Of course, sir. So friends, why don't you also go and have a look at the 3 different types of surgeries and their details. I'll catch you in the next screen.